Namaste Relaxo Parivar, I am Isha Talwar and today I am here on behalf of Relaxo to share some new plans to make your business even more beneficial and exciting. As you already know, Relaxo Footwear is one of India's largest footwear manufacturers with a legacy of over 40 years. This success is attributed to the dedication and hard work of more than 1 lakh retailers and distributors who have worked together as a family to take Relaxo to new heights. On behalf of Relaxo, I want to express my sincere gratitude for your continuous support. Relaxo deeply values and has always been grateful to its network of retailers. Considering the suggestions from our retailers, we have launched the Retailer Unnati program, which is already being loved by many retailers. I'm thrilled to share that over 60,000 retailers have joined the Retailer Unnati program on the Relaxo Parivar app and are actively earning points to receive exciting gifts. Additionally, around 2,000 retailers have redeemed their points on the app and received gifts. I hope you're also enjoying the benefits of this program. If not, download the Relaxo Parivar app now. As an extension to Retailer Unnati program, I'm excited to announce the Scan More, Earn More scheme. This means the more you scan, the more you earn. Considering the suggestions of all our retailers, we have now implemented this scheme on Relaxo Hawaii and Bahamas products. To participate, simply use your Relaxo Parivar app to scan the QR code provided inside the box, just like you did to avail the scheme on Flight and Sparks. This will allow you to earn rewards on our various attractive brands. This means you will earn 1 point for every scanning of ₹100 WSP. This is how Relaxo offers you the opportunity to earn points for more scan. The more QR codes you scan, the more points you will collect. The Retailer Unnati program is an initiative that will be a milestone for the entire footwear industry. I would like to share information about another excellent milestone scheme. In this program, you will be a part of a milestone club which is divided into 5 different levels: bronze, silver, gold, diamond and platinum. As you scan more, your points will increase, allowing you to progress to the next level. A great benefit of this program is that upon reaching each milestone, you will receive additional Unnati bonus points from the company. For example, if you achieve the 2 lakh scans milestone, 2,000 base points will be credited to your account. And the Unnati bonus points will be credited by the company to your account. This means your Unnati bonus points will keep increasing as you scan more. When you reach the Platinum Plus level and have completed scans worth ₹20 lakhs, you will receive 66,800 Unnati bonus points on top of the 20,000 base points. The scheme doesn't end here. It allows you to earn even more on crossing the 20 lakh milestone, as you will be eligible for multiple slab benefits starting from first slab. For example, on achieving scans worth ₹20 lakhs, you will earn 86,800 points. Now, if you achieve scans worth ₹22 lakhs, you will be eligible for 20 lakhs plus 2 lakhs on scan benefits. That is 86,800 plus 4,000 points, which is equal to 90,800 points and so on. And that's not all. As you climb the ranks from Bronze Club to the Platinum Club, your Unnati bonus points will surge even higher. This means you'll be eligible for gifts worth 4% to 6% of your total value. Exciting, right? All the earned points will start appearing in your app account within 24 hours. You can redeem these points for a variety of rewards, including gold vouchers, air conditioners, cars, TVs, fridges, and over 18,000 more such gifts from over 700 different brands. And the fun part is that you can even plan these gifts. Let me tell you how. Let's say your daughter's birthday is in the next 2 months and she wants a high-end smartphone as a gift, which you can get by redeeming 9937 points using your Relaxo Parivar app. All you need to do is keep scanning and redeem the accumulated points. This way you can give your loved ones their desired gifts, and Relaxo will also have the opportunity to be a part of your happiness. Your desired gifts will be delivered to your home within 15 days, totally free of cost. As you may already know, Relaxo offers a wide range of footwear available in various styles for all seasons. For your benefit, our Unnati Milestone scheme is operational for an extended period and not just for 1 or 3 months. This scheme is valid from April 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2025. Additionally, I want to inform you that all marketing activities conducted by the company, such as in-store branding and glow signboards, will be implemented based on the scanning done by you. For any assistance, contact your Relaxo sales officer or call the customer care number. We can't wait to see you enjoying these amazing new schemes which will also strengthen our bond. Let's get ready for an incredible journey together.